Hey YouTubers, I'm going to show you guys how to make a surface model real quick using Civil 3D. So, to do that, I'm going to delete this junk first here. Alright, so you can create a surface here in the prospector, create surface. This goes ahead and you can decide your name. Come on, YouTube. Okay, description, contours, all this stuff can be modified after the fact. This right here is helpful though. This layer, that's going to be very helpful, especially when you've got a bunch of surfaces going on. You want to be specific with your names of your surfaces. Don't just do surface 1, surface 2. Okay, hit OK. Now, expand that, and you want to go into your definition. Now, I'm going to start with break lines. I've already got break lines shown here. These are just 3D polylines, and they do not show up on the viewport. So, right click on break lines, hit add description if you want, hit OK, swipe everything, and like this is just my break lines and points, so there's not much going on in this drawing right now. Got some issues here, but I'm not going to worry about it. Alright, so here's a preliminary surface. I don't have any points added though. I just have my break lines. So now I want to add my points. So to do that, I'm going to create a point group real quick, which actually I already have one here called surface points. And then I'm going to hit include, select set and drawing. Okay, now this just picked all the point numbers that I just put in the window, and it's going to include them in this point group. I don't like to use all points because I'm a surveyor and I know that some things that I shoot are not the correct elevation, so I normally like to go through and pick which ones I think are going to be right. Alright. Now let's rebuild it. Let me show you guys that. So here's your surfaces. Here's the surface we just created. Okay, here's your definition. I've added a break line. Now I need to add the point group that I just created up here. So right click it, hit add. This is the point group I just created. Select it, hit OK. Now let's see if it's going to rebuild the surface automatically. Okay, it just rebuilt the surface automatically. You guys see the contours just changed. Now it doesn't always do that. To make it rebuild, click on the surface, right click, rebuild. And you can also do rebuild automatic, but when you get doing a lot of changes and stuff, that may be a pain. If you do one thing, it automatically rebuilds the surface every time.